wiggle as hard as you can. Wiggle, Josh. Wiggle. He's getting the sweatshirt off.
Wait a minute.
Oh, look. He got his shoulder out. Wiggle, Josh.
Yeah, Josh.
Uh-oh, he's getting out.
Get down.
Wiggle.
Keep going, Josh.
Your shoulders are out. You're making progress.
Wiggle your body.
Wiggle, wiggle.
Come on, Josh, you can do it.
Come on, Joshua. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Keep going, keep going. Oh, you got the sweatshirt off. Hey, Joshua.
Yeah, we'll get some water poured around it.
Oh, that'll make it worse.
That's
Hey,
the
Corey, I
point.
think you're on my legs.
Nobody
Corey, how'd you get on his leg?
He's losing his mind.
I'm going insane.
You can do it, Josh. You can.
Come on, Josh. Incredible Hulk. Incredible Hulk.
I'm straining myself.
Dash.
I will peck your feet out, Dad.
That would be humorous. Go ahead, peck his feet.
You have some,
Do you hear the bagpipes in the distance?
Corey has pity on him.
It's your
He wants to
funeral.
help him get out at this point.
let's go get lunch.
Okay. Bye, Josh.
Here, this is for
No, don't
some
put-
protection.
Okay.
Let us know if anybody tries to steal your sweater, okay, Josh?
Yell as loud as you can. This could be an amazing. Okay. I like
Face in the sand just now.
That's an interesting move. That's an interesting move,
It's
though.
moving.
It's working. It's working. Go.
Well,
You're almost there.
Almost. There's like,
There's still 3/4 of your body still buried, but you can do it.
understand.
are you gonna abuse me again?
Like, how can I be?
Don't pack him in. I want to see
You
if
are
you can get out.
packing me.
So you do understand that as long as you can breathe, you can live, and your heart is pumping, you're good.
Yeah, and I
All right,
might
so
need
just want you to
amputation
understand.
on my legs.
We told you that we'll leave in 2 days, okay? So we'll see you in a couple hours. We'll come down and visit. We're gonna go make lunch, and we'll bring the food, and we'll set it right here for you. Right there. You can eat it right there. Right there. You can. Here. Let me get that. I want a shelf for you. Right there. You can eat. That'll be hard.
Ew, that's gross.
That is gross.
Okay. Is that where the food's gonna go?
That's where your hand's gonna go.
Come on, Josh, try to get out. Is this your attempt to dig yourself out with
let's
your
get
nose?
Your butt off me, woman.
Get your butt off me, woman.
I'll get out. I have a tunnel right there.
He'll get out. He has a tunnel.
I'll tunnel out.
I like this challenge.
Josh, eat the dirt away like a little mole
Eat
you
the
are.
dirt like a worm.
Like a worm.
You say it like it's such a easy thing to do, Mom.
Oh, I put my toes in a bad position.
You put your toes in.
I feel like they're gonna snap.
It's not good.
That's bad.
It's
Okay.
hard to breathe, it sucks me in.
Alrighty.
Go pound it down,
I know,
pound it down,
I want to scoot back and get both their
pound it down.
No. Here's a picture.
Hey, Johnny. Oh, Josh made it, got his arm out. Now it's easy from here. Get the other arm out now.
Wait a minute. Get his is a good spot because you can get haystack rock in the background.
Oh yeah, that's a great spot.
Hey, don't put the board
Jules,
in. I
out
don't
of the
get
way.
The board. What's about the board? I don't get the board.
Okay.
Sorry, I couldn't see without my sunglasses.
Throw sand at me, I'll bury you again.
You buried me like 10 times.
So this is the boys. We kind of just left them on the beach as we're
This is good.
relaxing. Yeah, 2 little dogs came up and tried to
Was he yelling?
take
No.
them out. I wonder if anyone will try to help them.
This poor guy is staring.
Oh, the dog is going to the bathroom right by them.
Are they gonna just cover it with sand, or are they gonna have to do something?
I know, because the boys are watching them. Oh. These little dogs aren't very well controlled.
They're not.
It's like they have a dog fight right over Josh's head. So those 2 little dots in the sand, those are my brothers.
Here, put the sunglasses in, Jenny.